Today, let us see how to make multigrain atta at home. For this, I have taken 6 grains: wheat, bajra, ragi, jowar, chana dal and maize. I start with nicely roasting the wheat grains. Here you can see, I will roast it until it turns reddish brown, after which I store it separately into a container. Next, I take up ragi, similarly roast it well so that it turns crispy, and similarly store it separately. In a similar fashion, I take chana dal, roast it well and store it, followed by maize, jowar and bajra. We now have to dry mix this completely. You can see that every ladle of this mix will contain a homogeneous mixture of all the grains. I take 1 measured cup of this mixture and take this completely into a mixer grinder. 1 measure of this cup will actually get us enough multigrain atta for a day for 2 people. Now you see I have ground this in a fine fashion. I will now run this through a sieve. This is very important to give the rotis or the chapatis a very fine texture. The whole process would take you about 15 to 20 minutes on a daily basis, but would provide you with some wholesome nutrition. Now the multigrain atta is ready to be cooked.